Cause of fatalities with what we do for a living is falls. So it made sense about a decade ago for us to invest in fall protection, specifically engineered anchor points on these buildings like this, so we can start the building and end the building with 100% fall protection for our framers.
Number one thing when it comes to safety is you just got to make a decision as an organization. That's something that's important to you.
So we have our standing next to our safety pole system here, which we incorporated several years ago.
It is our goal at DNA Carpentry to make sure that each and every employee goes home to their families safe at night, unharmed.
One of the greatest challenges for us is as you're going through is to have a complete safety system, and Safety Poles does that because they have 100% fall protection as they're going up.
The reality is the safety poles don't start with the framers. These framers can come to the job site and the safety poles are already in the basement of the home. On day one, they'll have a tie-off point that's capable of supporting an employee if he falls.
I think clearly that's something that's been ingrained in our values, in our culture here at ICG, and it's something that we've invested heavily in over the years, both in infrastructure and in people and in training. We're the only contractor in the Southeast United States that utilizes the safety pole system, which is a portable horizontal lifeline that we install on every project we do that gives the guys a suitable anchor point that they can work from efficiently and safely.
I like them because I don't have to retie off every time, and the anchor line is always above me. And then there's no swing fall when I fall down.
That really includes fall protection, how to install the safety poles and actually how to use a self-retracting lifeline.
Working with the safety pole, walking on the side of a building is a lot less frightening, you could say.
In the beginning, it was kind of rough for us because not knowing too much about it, and while we was going through everything like how it's supposed to be, and it will help us a lot in preventing us from falling and touching the ground.
When I first started 5 years ago, I realized that we lacked a lot of equipment. So this is a critical component of our system.
And part of what we wanted to do with the safety poles is bridge that gap and not have those gray areas.
I would highly encourage at least exploring safety poles and seeing how it can improve or help each framer out. It eliminates a lot of the fall hazards that come along with our industry.
In the old days, we used to have to push it on the framers. Nowadays, they come to us with an expectation of fall protection.
Walking on the side of a building knowing that if you fall, you're not gonna go hit the ground. You're gonna be caught, you're gonna be saved, and I make it home to my family.
Safety pole system is a part of our system, part of it, but a whole lot of other things that makes the culture, specifically our employees. So I'm very grateful.
With Schwieters, they take the time to set it up properly. It takes a little bit longer, but that guy's safe now, right? Like if he slips, he's gonna be okay. He's gonna go home.
It's expensive, but it's worthwhile because obviously, you know, employee safety is top. The last thing you want is them getting hurt and everything falling off the side of the building. Seen it happen before.
People are our most valuable resource. Making it a priority to make sure everybody goes home safe at the end of every day and can come back and go to work tomorrow to make money for their family and help us grow and support our growing organization.